Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So very exciting. My sister's daughter, my niece, came to see me with her husband from Spain, and she got me some really nice gifts. So I wanted to share with you. Yeah, so she spent a few days in London, and well, she brought for me and for my kids, of course, and the whole family. As you can see, I'm gonna share with you all these lovely gifts. So stay with me. So it's just really early in the morning now, about 7 o'clock in the morning. I woke up for Fajr, so I stayed awake because I have to do lots of stuff. So that's why I'm in the kitchen now. Everybody else is still sleeping. So let me start you off because she just came yesterday. So this is for my daughter. She got this stuff for my daughter. Versace. Look how beautiful it is. Versace. It's so cute. The color is so beautiful as well with the design. So nice. It has the belt inside. The Versace logo is inside as well. So yeah, this is so cute and so nice. Has the bag as well to go with it. So that was for my daughter. She also got her this one, Hello Kitty. She got her some makeup. Look how cute it is. And this is a highlighter, I think. And it's Christmassy. Let me show you something else she got home. So nice. Look at this. There's a Moroccan jalaba. She got for her as well. This is Moroccan. So it has this like lace from the inside. This goes all the way. Let me just show you. It goes all the way. It's like two-piece. Can you see? So it's all the way inside the lace, and then look at the design. So look at the hand, and also this, it has an opening here where you can see the lace. So there's the lace. So the hand itself has like an opening. So nice. My daughter loved it. This is a typical Moroccan jalaba. I mean, those are in fashion at the moment, so the two pieces. But yeah, so cute. So for my husband, she got him pack for a van. He already opened it. It smells so nice. So nice. It's really, really nice. I like the box. Like, I am a robot. What else? Yeah. So my other friend, she got him a watch, diesel. I mean, the box is leather itself, so it's so nice. Look at this. I love the box. Yeah, so as I said, it's diesel. And my other son, she got him Dior perfume, Savage. This smells really nice as well. I'm not gonna try them because, you know, they're man perfume, so I don't want to smell like men. So, and then it's me. Best for last. Wow, Rachel. I love Rachel. So because she got it from Spain, so can you see that here? Corte Inglés. That's a very famous department store in Spain. It's like was like Joe Louis or Selfridges, something like that. Let's see which one. Ooh, that one. I love red. She knows red is my favorite color. I have it everywhere. My sofa is red. My bedroom is red. Oh. The box is so nice. Look at the design. That is so nice. I'm sure it's gonna be absolutely divine. So this is a shower gel, foaming shower gel, and shower oil. I can't wait to start to use those. Body cream. Oopsie. And what's that? Oh, hair and body mist. That's so nice. Let me just, I can't wait. Oh, so nice. Smells so nice. I love those. So she got me those from Morocco. Red as well. So the theme is red. Those are leather. So like 3 pieces, so you can put them in a bathroom or a bedroom, you can put some stuff on them. Can't. That's fish, that's a, what is called the fridge magnet. You got this one and this one. Morocco. That's what's from Morocco. All the tagines and the tea, Moroccan ate. So cute. And she got me this as well from Morocco. Because she went last time to Morocco and she got me some stuff. And she also got me those from Morocco as well. And the rose. Let me just whole box. There's a soap. It has. Let me just change the camera and then I'll show you. Hopefully. Yeah, there we go, guys. So it's a soap. So it's written in Arabic. It's Saitra, means perfume. So that's the perfume. That's the body spray, I think. This is like oil, body oil. And this one is lotion. That's a lotion. So this is body cream. This is body oil, body cream, body spray, the oil, the perfume itself, soap. This is like musk. So it's a solid perfume. As you can see, it's rose. So is the sin is the rose. And this is like lighter as well, so it's a concentrated perfume. So you just use a little bit and it goes like really strong. And this is the actual one. You can see it properly now. So it smells so nice, both of them. Well, all of them smell so nice. And that's it. And just she got me some stuff for food. This is my favorite, more Spanish sweet. I always get confused the name, but this is really famous. They only do it on December, like Christmas time and stuff. So this is olive oil, made of olive oil, but they're really nice. And I asked her to buy me those, the dulce de leche, because you know, with the boy cutting and stuff, the only one that I can find in here is the Nestle brand, the caramel. It's only Nestle. I can't find anywhere else like the own brand and stuff. You can find the what is called the condensed milk, but not the dulce de leche. So this one is really yummy. It's really nice. I got it last time when I went to Spain to see my family, but I asked her to bring me like a couple more. What else? And torron, of course. This is chocolate, like Ferrero Rocher. This is for my kids. I mean, and this the torron. I mean, now the torron is like so many flavors. There's so many. This is like cheesecake. That's a torron as well. Before it was to be like few flavors, mainly almond. Now they have like anything you can think of. They have pistachio. And of course, you got them with colacao. My children loved it since they were young. Every time we go to Spain, I have to bring colacao with me, and now they made it to drink. So she brought them as well. All of them was like a few drinks of colacao. I mean, it's chocolate drink, by the way. Anyone who doesn't know, colacao is a chocolate drink. I don't know why we don't have nice chocolate drinks in London. They're all disgusting. Every time I find something and I buy it, like, ugh. But so yeah, this is the gifts my niece got me, and for me and my family, as you can see, all of them. So now I'm just gonna put them away, get some food done and stuff, and then we're going to Westfield today, inshallah. So yeah, hopefully the weather is gonna be okay next few days, so she can go around and see places. And I'll say thank you so much, thank you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.